Tarantulas can grow up to about 30 centimeters from front legs to hind legs. They are one of the largest types of spiders in the world. Got hair to watch out for. Tarantulas are indeed animals that must be watched out for because of their poisonous bites. But actually the poison that tarantulas secrete is not much. Even so, friends also have to be careful of the fine hairs all over the body of this animal. When in a state of urgency, tarantulas can shed their fine hair that can cause irritation when touched or exposed to the eye. And also tarantulas have fine hairs that cover their bodies, called setae. These setae help them sense vibrations and temperature around them. Eat all kinds of animals. Not only feared by humans, tarantulas are animals that are feared by other animals, you know. Ordinary spiders may prey on small insects more often, but not with tarantulas. Tarantulas can prey on other large animals around them. Even the Goliath tarantula, which is the largest species of tarantula, can prey on a bird. Tarantulas usually eat insects, but they can also prey on larger animals, such as cockroaches, mice, and even small birds. Have a net with a unique function. Like most spiders, tarantulas can make webs, but the function of these webs is very different. Generally, spiders make webs to help them catch their prey. But tarantulas make webs in the holes they make. The hole will be a place to hide to wait for prey to come. Nets are also often used to help them climb or chase prey. Tarantulas have strong and flexible legs, which allow them to easily climb and crawl across a variety of surfaces. Have long life for females. Another unique fact is the age of these spiders, which differs between males and females. Female tarantulas have a long lifespan that can even be tens of years. Meanwhile, male tarantulas can only live for a few years. Tarantulas can live up to 25 years or more, depending on the species and environmental conditions. can die when dropped. Even though tarantulas are a terrible type of spider, they are also very fragile. If the tarantula falls, this animal can die immediately. Even when a tarantula falls from a low altitude, the impact can be considered dangerous. This is because tarantulas have an exoskeleton that breaks easily. If the exoskeleton is damaged, it is certain that this animal will not be helped. Has the ability to update organs. The renewed organs include the lining of the stomach and reproductive organs, while the external organs that are replaced are the legs and the sensors on the front of the body.